So for this video, we're asked to find the height of a right circular cone having a slant height of square root of 10x. So square root of 10x dito, lagay lang natin. Square root of 10, hindi po kasama si x ha, ayan. And the base diameter of 2x. So this is the base diameter, of course the radius, if it's 2x, the radius is x. So simply lang if you will encounter problem like this, you're asked to get the height or any sides of the triangle, you just use Pythagorean theorem lang po. So Pythagorean theorem, meron itong c squared, a squared plus b squared. So itong c squared, that's the longest side of your triangle, which is 10 square root of 10x. Tapos itong a squared plus b squared, that's the two other side of your triangle. So ito, 10 squared, c squared, that's your square root of 10x. So isa-square natin yan. So let's say CA ay si h, so we have h squared. Tapos CB ay si x or x squared. So kailangan natin makuha si h, so transpose natin si x sa kabila. So that will become 10 or square root of 10x squared minus x squared is equal to h squared. So take note, if ganito, we can distribute the squared here. So, kung may squared na dito, tapos naka-square root, maka-cancel out yung square root. So, that will become 10x squared minus x squared is equal to h squared. So, basically, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, copy lang natin si squared is equal to h squared. So, let's take the square root of both sides para makuha natin si h. So, our h is now equal to 3x.